Click on the link below to get price. The Ceiling Mounted Dehumidifier is a remarkable solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in both commercial and residential settings. With an impressive capacity ranging from 240L to 480L per day, it efficiently manages moisture, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its space-saving design. Installing it on the ceiling not only conserves floor space but also allows for effective circulation of air throughout the room, eliminating damp pockets that can lead to mold and mildew. The unit operates quietly, making it ideal for use in homes, offices, or commercial spaces without causing disruption. Its energy-efficient performance is another significant advantage. The advanced technology integrated into this dehumidifier ensures minimal power consumption while maximizing moisture removal, thus reducing utility bills over time. Users will appreciate the user-friendly control panel, which allows for easy adjustments to humidity settings and fan speed. Additionally, many models come equipped with a built-in hygrometer, providing real-time feedback on room humidity, enabling precise control for optimal comfort. The installation process is straightforward, with comprehensive instructions provided, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. However, for those unfamiliar with HVAC systems, hiring a professional for installation might be advisable to ensure optimal performance. Maintaining the unit is also hassle-free. Regular maintenance includes cleaning the filters and checking the drainage system, which is crucial for long-term functionality. In terms of aesthetics, the sleek design blends well with various interior styles, making it a discreet addition to any space. Overall, the ceiling-mounted dehumidifier is a powerful and efficient option for anyone looking to combat excess moisture in their environment. With its high capacity, low noise operation, and energy efficiency, it serves as an excellent investment for homeowners and businesses alike, promoting a healthier and more comfortable living or working space.